Whereas Indian piping industry is currently navigating through a significant near-term headwinds, with the sector facing strong pressure from weak demand, intense competition, and a sharp correction in the PVC prices. And the withdrawal of BIS certification and the expiry of anti-dumping duties on PVC resins have opened the domestic market to cheaper imports, predominantly from China, leading to a pricing pressure. And these developments have already triggered an immediate rupees 3 per kg price fall from the 15th November, taking the total decline to rupees 6 per kg since the beginning of this quarter. And according to Nuvama research, PVC prices remain under pressure as import has been offered to at 61 to 62 per kg versus Reliance price of 66 to 67 per kg, indicating a likely further drop of 3 to 4 per kg. And weak demand trend continue not only in India but also in Europe, where even European PVC manufacturers are seeking an anti-dumping duty protection. And the consequence of this environment, there has been inventory losses, weaker volumes, and aggressive price-led competition, and ultimately hurting the margins and profitability of the domestic pipe companies. Furthermore, India remains heavily dependent on the import, while China holding the largest share of PVC export. And despite the short-term challenges, there are some tailwinds for the industry. The traditional PVC price segment is expected to grow at a 6% CAGR, with further also hanging on the new product and categories such as PVC. And a demand recovery is expected in the second half of FY26. And management piping industry companies also remain confident for the second half of FY26, where for Supreme Industry they expect a better margin improvement in the second half of FY26, and company has gained a market share in CPVC. And Astral also continue to gain a market share, which is by improving construction. They also say that the company there is a improvement in the construction activity post the monsoon. And while Phenolics industry also expect mid to single digit volume in FY26. And if we look at the stock tracker of the plastic pipe companies, then in last 1 month Supreme Industry is down 11%, and in 6 months stock is down 19%. And Astral has outperformed the Supreme Industry, where Astral is up 1% in the last 1 month and down 4% in 6 months, and Phenolics industry down 5% in 1 month.